Have you ever wondered why people leave your online store without buying? Which channels actually bring your best buyers? Or what's stopping someone from completing their purchase? That's exactly what e-commerce analytics is here to answer. If those questions keep you up at night, hit like and subscribe. This series is built around solving them. E-commerce analytics tell you why shoppers behave the way they do, and it helps you grow revenue from those insights. Without it, you're watching the numbers and hoping for the best. With it, you see what visitors actually do, what they click, where they hesitate, and where they leave. And that's what Contentsquare is built for. Marketing and e-commerce teams find what drives buyers, product teams reduce friction, and analytics teams tie behavior to revenue. E-commerce analytics gives you the framework to act on your data. Here are 3 things that change the moment you use it. 1. You stop guessing which channels work. Contentsquare connects your channel data to actual on-site behavior, so you can see which campaigns bring buyers, not just visitors. Right now, your team is probably running campaigns across search, social, and email. Traffic is coming in. But without knowing which channel actually converts, you're splitting your budget on gut feeling. With this, you can cross-reference channel data with conversion rates and stop spending on what looks good and start spending on what actually converts. And 2, find out why people aren't sticking around. Contentsquare's session replays and heat maps show you exactly why people aren't sticking around. Not just that they left, but where and what stopped them. The bounce rate tells you there's a problem. Scroll data and session replays show you what it actually is. That's the difference between measuring and truly understanding. 3. You understand what's stopping sales. Contentsquare shows you exactly where shoppers drop off before they buy, and why. A slow page, a broken form, a bug that went unnoticed. Any of these could be the reason customers bounce. Find the real cause, and you will not just be recovering a sale, you will be fixing the experience for everyone who follows. Session replays let you watch real visitor journeys. You see exactly where things break down. Heat maps show what page elements people engage with and what they scroll right past. You can break down performance by channel, device, and segment. You don't need more data. You need to understand the data you already have. The full guide to e-commerce analytics and the Contentsquare free trial links are both in the description below this video. Try it out and let us know how you get on. Next up, how to convert and keep your shoppers using e-commerce analytics. Don't miss it.